I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting both iPhones ready. Sign into the same Apple ID and enable iCloud and iCloud backup so data can move. Once done, turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and keep both phones unlocked, near each other, and plugged into power. Make sure each device runs the latest compatible iOS version. If not, update now to avoid transfer failures. Now, place the new iPhone next to the old one and wait for the Quick Start animation to appear so you can start the transfer. You follow Quick Start. Scan the animation with the new iPhone's camera, then authenticate using the old phone's passcode. This creates a secure connection for transfer. Next, choose either transfer from iPhone for device to device migration or restore from iCloud if you prefer a cloud backup restore, and select which data types, apps, and passwords to include. Make sure you stay on the transfer screen and keep both phones near each other on Wi-Fi. Interruptions can pause or corrupt data, so be patient until completion. You finish by completing Face ID or Touch ID, adding Apple Pay cards, and letting apps re-download. Then verify photos, contacts, and messages are present. Once done, confirm iMessage and FaceTime are activated and reauthorize apps that need passwords or two-factor authentication. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Update both iPhones to the latest iOS, restart them, and retry Quick Start. If problems persist, use an iCloud backup restore or connect to Finder/iTunes for a wired transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.